How's it here, mate? That was a hit. I'm aiming for you. It's whinging. You join me at an abandoned airbase in Tuddenham, where the Scion group are attempting to capture 3 HVTs to further gather intel on the Special Forces FOB. My team and I have spread out and surrounded the enemy FOB to cut off any advance the enemy try and attempt. Yeah. Down. Come on. They're trying to come up the far right flank using the bank as cover, but I've thrown toxic gas in their way, which actually gives me time to medic this guy back in. No. Oh my god, that was disgusting. Seeing the Special Forces return to the FOB warns me that the enemy team are just up ahead. This guy had told me prior that he was after me, but I managed to tag him first. Hopping over. Some command right there. Hello, boys.
Stock has fallen off. If you see a screw somewhere, let us know.
Oh yeah, oh look. I used the trench network to relocate my position and keep the enemy unaware of my movements. I settle into this spot overlooking the village and spot this guy. Make what you want of that pointy hand gesture. Yeah, medic. I've relocated to the middle and this has opened up a whole new angle for me. I'm having to curve my shot to work against the wind. Oh, show it on! Medic! It's it! Come on. That was a hit. Oh. Okay. Oh, mate. Oh. Okay. Oh, mate. Sorry. I always fall over. I'm so sorry, didn't you?
No, I could see it go through the good doors. I was waiting for them to come.
Wait, I'll give you it. Your camo works perfectly. Is your leg all right, mate?
Yeah.
That was funny. I full on just fell right up my arse. After recovering, I go for the only sprint of the day and set up a position overlooking the Scion group's left flank and other channel of escape. I get straight to work on making them think again.
Over him. One down.
Really?
Yeah.
What, that way that's walking?
Yeah, you got it. Another one down.
The TAC is not doing bad for its second outing. The distance of these shots is 75 metres across an open field in really windy conditions.
Outside. Ah. Oh my god, he's down. They won't come this way very often.
Okay.
They won't come this way again. Yeah, that's how far they can go, mate. Yeah. I'm not aiming for you! Whinging.
Oh, oh.
If you made it this far and are enjoying the content, please subscribe to my channel, but no pressure. This guy gets shot straight in the leg and he even flinches but does not take it and then resumes to shoot me. I take it even though he was blatantly out.
No, I'll shot you in the leg, mate. Honestly. Medic!
After getting medics back in, I make one final dash to secure the middle and stop the enemy from advancing any further forward.
Yeah, I see him.
That was your head,
Hold on, right head, right head.
and that was your hand.
Ow. How are you seeing, buddy?
The enemy failed to get the HVTs, so mission complete.